Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video, where I grab something we have, talk about what it is and what it does. Today we have the RAGE-1200.4 RAGE Series 4-channel amplifier. The B2 Audio RAGE-1200.4-V2, a 1200-watt powerhouse 4-channel high EF Class D amplifier designed to push your sound to the next level. With 1200 watts of raw power, the RAGE-1200.4-V2 ensures an immersive audio experience. Its high EF Class D technology maximizes efficiency while delivering precise sound quality across the full frequency range. Offering versatile RMS power options of 200W(x)4 at 4 ohms and 300W(x)4 at 2 ohms, along with a 600W(x)2 bridge configuration, this amplifier adapts to your audio needs. The advanced circuitry guarantees distortion-free sound, even at high volumes, with a frequency response of 10 Hz to 24 kHz. Built-in protection safeguards against thermal overload, short circuits, and overcurrent, ensuring long-lasting durability. Additionally, customizable sound features include a 12 dBi crossover and high-pass and low-pass filters for fine-tuning your audio experience. With its robust build and focus on efficiency, the RAGE-1200.4-V2 amplifier is perfect for audio enthusiasts ready to take control of their sound system. Now on to the price. The price on this is $479.95. And if you want it, you can get it at b2audiousa.com/collections/rage-series-amplifiers, or you can call at 730 B2 Audio. That's 73022283346. As always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.